Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sync your Outlook contacts with your Microsoft Teams account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do that, just go to your Microsoft Outlook account and then head to these three dots here, click on them and choose settings. Now from settings, go down to people here, and then you should see under people you have synced contacts as well as blocked users. The first option is synced contact. Here you can manage contact sync settings. To add to sync, go to manage here, and here you can see the current status. I'm told they are not synced. That's why we have this option to sync. You're told if you change your mind at any time after you've synced your contacts, you can turn off contact sync. So to add, now just click on sync, and this will sync your contact. As you can see, now already synced. So you need to have been using the same email on your Outlook account for you to be able to sync contacts across these two platforms. So that's how you can sync your Outlook contacts in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.